guys, today we'll be making an adorable and poofy Christmas burlap deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems attached. I have 10-inch burlap mesh and 6-inch deco mesh. I also have 2-inch wide wire edge ribbon in this pretty printed color and also solid green, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is raise my stems, and you can see I've already done so here. Now we're going to start placing our mesh. So I have cut my 10-inch mesh into 10-inch long pieces. I cut my 6-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And I cut my ribbon into 10-inch long pieces. So now I'm going to make my bundles, and what I'm going to do is kind of have it at a diagonal. Bring the top and the bottom down. Just like that. And scrunch it to make it like wider and more fanned out. I'm going to do that again. Place it at a diagonal, bring the top and the bottom down, and then just scrunch it. Just like that. And I'm going to crisscross the pieces. Then I'm going to take my 6-inch mesh and roll it at a diagonal. Place it right on top for the white and the green. Crisscrossing. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and place that right on top. And scrunch it all together. Take my inner stem, place my bundle, twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. If I were going to add more mesh, I would not tuck my bundle away until I was completely done adding my mesh. But since we are done, we're going to tuck it away and then just kind of flare it out and fan it a little bit. And you could just roll your 10-inch pieces if you choose to do so. But I just wanted to do something a little different. Plus, I love the feel of this burlap mesh. It's so cute as well. So I just wanted to do something a little different just to show off the texture of it. Scrunch it all together. Go to my next inner stem and place my bundle. Twist it and then tuck it away. And I'm going to repeat this step all the way around my inner ring, and then we'll come back and place the bundles on the outer ring. But you can see it's looking so cute and precious already. I've completed the inner ring. Now I'm just adjusting and maneuvering my bundles, making sure they look so cute and fluffy. And I love this color scheme. It's so precious and fun. Alright, the inner ring is complete. Now we're going to add bundles to the outer ring. And I'm only going to go with one piece of the blue as opposed to 2 in the inner ring. But if you want to keep it all the exact same, you can definitely do so. And same thing, scrunch it all together, place my bundle, and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. Alright, so I have all of my bundles in place. It looks so cute and precious. Now I'm just kind of flaring it out, fluffing it, adjusting anything, making sure I don't have any gaps or spaces. You can definitely add more if you choose to do so, less. Just depends on how fluffy and poofy you want your wreath to be. But I feel like this makes a pretty decent sized wreath. And you can add ornaments or any other type of decor, maybe even little snowflakes or Christmas trees, whatever you prefer, an adorable sign to the center. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.